Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Paltech exam pattern plus interview questions, and I have analyzed 2024 and 2025 interview questions and their experiences and the type of pattern they are following, and I have made a video on that. Before going into the video, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Right, let us going into the video. Please do subscribe because it is the ratio between not subscribed and subscribed people. Okay, let us going into the video. I have asked the passouts from 2025 and 2024, and I have gathered the information about the Paltech pattern, exam pattern and interview questions, and after analyzing I have came to this conclusion and I made this video. I hope it helps you. Okay, mainly they are following round 1 for aptitude round with negative marking. Okay, they are considering negative marking. Okay, aptitude round with negative marking, and they're also sometimes they are giving another section as output based programming questions, or only they're following like verbal, aptitude and logical reasoning they're following. But round 1 is aptitude based round, or verbal, logical or output based programming questions. In that manner they are following round 1. Okay, and it consists of negative marking. So be careful while writing this round 1. Be aware of what questions you know and what you don't know, and be aware of negative marking. There might be chances like giving verbal ability, reasoning, aptitude or output based programming questions in round 1. Okay, coming to the round 2, they are following paper based coding. Okay, not online based coding, paper based coding. Maximum they are giving 3 problems. Okay, questions are similar to lead code platform, simple, medium, hard type of questions. And if you are and if you can't able to solve the first question, then you are disqualified to attempt the second question. Okay, in that way they are following. Maximum students told me that only, so on that only I have made this video. To qualify this round you need to solve minimum 2 or 3 questions. If you are unable to solve the first question, then you are eliminated. The one who solved the first question, they are eligible for writing second question. Okay, if you couldn't able to solve second question, then you are eliminated, or they might have considered because you have the 2 questions. Okay, if you completed 2 or above 2, they might consider you for the technical round. Okay, round 3 is the technical round on the projects, DBMS, SQL queries and web based questions. Okay, and this tier round might also join with HR round. Okay, in this way they are following the pattern in 2024 and 2025. I have analyzed the students from both the pass out years and they gave me input in this way. Mainly round 1 is varying from time to time. It consists of verbal, aptitude, logical reasoning as well as output based programming questions, and with negative marking compulsory. Okay, you should be very clear with this round. Okay, and coming to the second round, it is paper based coding questions and every question is an elimination question, and round 3 is the technical interview. It might be combined with HR round or tier round followed by HR round. In that way they are conducting. I hope you got clear with the pattern. Now let us see the round 2 questions. Few of the students told me that they faced this type of questions. Given a list of integers, your task is to write a program that removes all duplicates and returns the list with only unique elements in the same order as their first appearance. Example, see, they have given array of elements in this way. You have to eliminate the duplicate elements, and you should they should be remain with the first appearance. See, 4 occurred first time, so it should be in this way only. 5 occurred first time, 2 occurred the first time, but 4 occurred twice, it repeated, so you have to eliminate this 4, not this 4. Okay, so eliminate this 4. Now 2, it occurred twice, so eliminate it. 3, it appeared at the first time, so keep it as usual. And 5, it also duplicate element, so delete this. So you have to keep the first appearance as it is and you have to eliminate the duplicate elements. I hope you got clear idea with that, and this is the problem few of the members faced in their second round. And maximum the students told that they're following pattern based questions or string based questions, recursion, array problems, backtracking, Fibonacci series, basic questions, medium questions, hard questions. They're touching every question. Maximum the one who are familiar with the lead code platform, they can able to do it. Okay, prepare well for the second round. Round 2 is the deciding round because you have to go to the technical round, right? So be prepared well. Try to do maximum 2 questions or 2.5 or 2 above. Okay, right? This is the round 2. And coming to the technical interview, they're focusing on various subjects. Maximum OOPS concepts, DBMS, SQL queries, and resume based questions. One of the question is what are different type of constructions in OOPS concept. Okay, object oriented programming. In object oriented programming, there are 3 main types of constructors. Default constructor means no parameters, initializes objects with default values. Parameterized constructor takes arguments and initializes objects with specific values provided by the user. Copy constructor creates a new objects by copying values from the another object of the same class. Okay, and what are the key concepts of object oriented programming? And write some SQL queries. They are giving you a condition to write a SQL query. Based on the given condition, you have to write the SQL query. And they're also focusing on HTML, CSS and JS concepts. Okay, and complete or a basic idea on database and OOPS concepts. Project based questions like what are your final year projects, what is your role in the project, what technologies have you used in your projects, or resume related questions like where have you done your internship, what have you learned during your internship, in that way. And SQL queries, skill set, what are you good at, okay, like Java or Python, what are you good at, they're asking. And what is SQL query, right? What is the SQL query to retrieve the third highest salary from the given table? This is the sample SQL query. They're asking many more SQL queries in this way. And let us see what is the query for that. Select distinct salary from employees. This is table. Employees means table. Ordered by salary descending. Limit 1 offset 2. See, the explanation is order by salary desk means sort salaries in descending order. Distinct means removes duplicates. Limit 1 offset 2 means skip the top 2 highest salaries and fetches the third one, because they are asking you to fetch the third highest salary, right? So this is the SQL query. You should have a complete idea on method overloading, method overriding, and code for the double linked list, and about garbage collector, about the error handling, finally finalize keywords. You should be aware with the keywords and their differentiation, okay, and the differentiation. And you should have a complete idea on SQL queries, ACID properties, joins, and different types of models in DBMS. Okay, let us see the SQL queries. Complete idea on SQL queries, ACID properties, okay. And for this different type of models in DBMS, let us see the answer. Hierarchical model. Data is organized like a tree, parent child, and each child has only one parent. Example, file systems. And see, we are discussing about the different type of models in DBMS. Network model means data is in form of records connected with links. A child can have multiple parents, more flexible than the hierarchical model. Relational model, data is stored in tables, rows and columns. The most commonly used model uses SQL to manage the data. Object oriented model means combines DBMS with the object oriented programming. Data is stored as objects. And entry relationship model uses entities and relationships to design databases, mainly used for database designing, diagramming, not for the storage. Okay, if you feel this video as worthy enough, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you feel those as worthy, please hit a like. And this Paltech, I have gathered information from the students, the pass outs from 2025 and 2024. I have taken the common things what the students have told me, and I have already told you round 1 might be changing, like they may conduct aptitude or verbal or reasoning or output based programming questions with negative marking. Okay, the one who are qualified from round 1, there appears for paper based coding. Maximum 3 programs they will give, similar to the lead code platform, and you should able to do, because every question is an elimination question followed by technical round. I have told you to focus on projects, DBMS, SQL queries, and if you are good, if you mention in your resume that you are good with the web based technologies, then they can ask you about the JavaScript also. So make your resume clear enough so that you can answer every question they are asking you, right? And if you feel this video is very informative, please hit a like and prepare well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.